How long should you cook frozen cauliflower rice to prevent it from becoming too mushy?
Hello there, it's time to master the art of cooking frozen cauliflower rice. We all know the struggle of overcooking it and ending up with a mushy, unappetizing dish. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to solve this problem once and for all. We'll learn how to cook frozen cauliflower rice to perfection while keeping its texture intact.
Why does cauliflower rice become mushy?
So, why does cauliflower rice turn mushy? Cauliflower releases water as it cooks. This is especially true for frozen cauliflower rice, as freezing causes the water inside the cauliflower cells to expand, which can burst the cell walls. When you cook it, this extra water is released, causing your cauliflower rice to turn mushy.
How long should you cook frozen cauliflower rice?
The key to avoiding mushiness is cooking the cauliflower rice just long enough to heat it through, but not so long that it begins releasing too much water. You should aim to cook frozen cauliflower rice for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium-high heat setting. This time frame will vary slightly depending on the power of your stove and the quantity of cauliflower rice you're cooking, but it's a good starting point.
Any specific cooking techniques?
Yes, absolutely. Here's a simple yet effective method to cook your cauliflower rice. 1. Heat your pan over medium-high heat. A non-stick pan is best for this. 2. Add a small amount of oil or butter, optional, but it can add a nice flavor. 3. Spread the cauliflower rice out in the pan in a thin layer. This will help it heat evenly and allow any excess moisture to evaporate more quickly. 4. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking and to ensure it cooks evenly. 5. Remember, it's ready in 3 to 5 minutes. As soon as it's heated through, remove it from the heat. There you have it. No more mushy cauliflower rice. It's as simple as knowing the right cooking time and using a good cooking technique. We hope this video guide has helped you. Now, go out there and create a meal to remember with your perfectly cooked cauliflower rice. Happy cooking!